Good morning, friends. Today we will learn what is the difference between Java and C++. As we know very well, both are object-oriented programming language, but there is some difference is there between Java and C++. So we will discuss some important difference between Java and C++. So first difference is Java is platform independent. What it means? It means Java program can be run in any platform. Platform means any operating system. It may be Linux operating system, it may be Windows, or it may be Mac operating system with help of bytecode. So there is a bytecode concept is available in Java which is not available in C++. So whenever Java program you will compile, it generates a .class file. So it is .class file which is unreadable because it is written in byte data type. So only Java compiler can understand bytecode, but nobody can understand the bytecode. So this bytecode facility is not available in our C++ programs. So that is the main reason Java program, once you compile one place, you can run that program in anywhere or in any operating system. Just you take bytecode or run in any operating system, but JVM must be necessary in that operating system, which operating system you want to run the Java program. So this bytecode facility is not available in C++. That's why C++ is the platform dependent. Second, so as we know very well, understanding pointer is somewhat tough. So Java remove the tough part from his language. So Java directly does not support pointer. You cannot use pointer program in Java. As we know very well, C++ using pointer concept, or you can implement any data structure with the help of pointer in C++. Third, multi-threading. So what is the thread? Thread is the CPU utilization unit. How much CPU is going to utilize, that is measured by the thread. So Java supporting multi-threading. So in Java program, at least one thread is available. But if you want to make more than one thread, so you can make thread with help of two things. Either you can extend thread class, or either you can use the runnable interface. So you have two options. With help of these two options, you can make a thread program. But multi-threading is not much more available in C++. Fourth, Java does not support operator overloading, but operator overloading is supporting in the C++. So C++ supporting operator overloading. Next, there is no concept of template is available in Java, but C++ supporting template concept in their programs. So those students know templates in C++, they know very well what is the C++. What is the templates in C++. And Java supporting both compiler as well as interpreter. It means whenever you will run a Java program, so it will check line by line if any error is available in Java program, it will generate. So Java program doing both things. It is checking line by line, that is called interpreter. Whenever it is checking all the program error, that is called the compiler. And C++ only supporting compiler. And Java is supporting both. Java is the compiler as well as the interpreter. One more thing, in C++ we have two things, call by value and call by reference. So whenever you will pass the value from the one function to another function, that is called call by value. And call by reference, reference means address. So as you know very well, Java does not support the pointer, so there is no concept of call by reference in the Java programming language. Next difference, Java does not support structure and union. And so as we know very well, C++ supporting both structure as well as union. So both facility is available in C++. Third one, Java is the architecture neutral. It means Java program does not depend upon the hardware due to the platform independence. So, and C++ program is not an architecture neutral language. And the last difference, as we know very well, there is a documentation comment is available in C++, which is not available in our so there is documentation comment is available in Java, but that is not available in our C++. So these are the some important difference which is available in Java and C++. So what I thought, a lot of students is confused that both are programming language and what are the main difference between these two. So that's why I decided to make some little video that it should be clear your mind what is the main difference between Java and C++. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you.